Today is beach day. Okay, so we're gonna get everything ready. The girls are in the living room watching TV. So I'm gonna go up the elevator and get our things packed. I'm gonna pack Ali's thing, I'm gonna pack my things, and I'm also gonna pack the Alex's things. So let's go. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna get everything packed and I'm just gonna line out a few things to show you what I'm gonna pack, and then I'll be back with you soon. Okay guys, this is everything we need. We got our bathing suits, a beach towel, 2 towels, we got some lotion, we got this with little baby Alice, we got sunscreen, we got powder for Alice, we got 2 water guns for me and Ali to play water fight, we got a baby bag for the baby. Yeah, I don't know what would it be for, like me, you know. We also got this bag for Alice. Then we have the cooler and we have a bag that I'm praying that it would fit mine and Ali's clothes. So let's get packing. Okay, so first I'm gonna put in my bathing suit, then Ali's, the beach towel. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the baby's lotion, powder, I'm gonna put in the sunscreen here, the 2 towels here. The lotion would go right here, and for the water guns, they can't fit in the bag, and we're gonna need some Pampers for the baby. So let's get the Pampers. The baby she's gonna need Pampers because, I mean, it's a baby. So I think she's gonna need about 3 Pampers. Yeah, 3 diapers. Got the diapers. Let's go. Move it, people. This is her diaper changer that I put her on, and I'm changing her. So we got her diapers. Put it in there. I'm gonna zip up my bag with Ali's stuff and my stuff. Oh, why is it so hard to zip up? Please. Okay, so for the cooler, I am gonna put in some juices. So I put in 2 different flavors, and then I put in the baby bottle to make it keep cool. Some grapes, a box juice. I put in some sweets for Ali and me because I like sweets as well, okay? And then we're gonna close up the cooler. Uh-oh, I think I opened the sweets. But that's okay. So we're all packed. We're just gonna get ready. And when we get ready, we'll get back to you guys. We'll be back soon. And I know you think that this is a heavy box for me to carry, but I'm gonna put it in the car trunk. Are you ready to go to the beach, Ali? Ready as you are, Mom. Are you ready to go to the beach, Alice? Mom, really? Mom, really? Whatever, let's go. We made it to the beach. So we're just going in. Oh, hi there. Hello. So we're in the beach. Wow, I see we can have weddings here. Yep, so we're in the beach, everybody. So we're just gonna put down everything that we brought. Put down my bag, the cooler, the next bag. Wait, that's bag, yeah. So I'm gonna open this bag because this bag has everything we need. Okay, so I put down the towel. Now I'm just gonna I'm looking for our bathing suit. Okay, there you are, Ali. You can put it on. Okay, that's good. My bathing suit. Perfect. Put everything out in your bag. Great. And I will be taking the sunbathe I haven't taken in a long while. That's so nice. Oh, I forgot about you, Alice. Yeah, I really forgot about you. You can come with me. Mom, can you please go in the water? Sure, but don't go far. And please, can you take off the headband? Sure, Mom, thanks. Later. Oh my God, the water. Is that a dolphin? Or is that a shark? I don't know. I'm gonna go closer to see. Whoa. Shark! Help, I can't swim! Help me! Oh no, is that someone in trouble? Oh no! Come here, little girl. Little girl, you can't go so far in the waters. You know you can't swim. You can't chase after the sea animals. It's just a dolphin. Thanks, Mom. Owie! There. And we're all had to go back home again. Allie will grab Alice and we're heading on our way to go home. Wait, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for taking the time out to just watch this video. I hope you enjoyed watching us having fun. Wait, what? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. We enjoyed having fun and we also enjoyed entertaining you guys. So I just wanted to say have a pleasant night or day wherever you are, whichever country day it is. Bye.